Morning, guys. Just woke up, got ready for work, and it's around like 8:40. I work at 9, so I'm gonna go downstairs and leave for work. It is Saturday, June 25th, and it is 8:47, and I'm waiting to go into work. We don't open up until 9. But I got here a little bit earlier just so I could update you guys. I work 9 to 3. I don't know what we're doing later. Sarah is actually dog watching tonight, but not until like 7:30. But I'm gonna go over and see the dogs. I might vlog at work a little bit. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. But anyways, I'll see you guys after work. Just packing some wish list orders, but I can't sign the ornament. Hello guys, so just got back from Heinen's and we're gonna do a little haul of what we got. Some pound cake, 2 loaves of bread, 1 frozen, 1 fresh. Let's see, some watermelon, very good. Homestead waffles are my favorite from Heinen's. I got a salad with ranch, that's what I'm eating for dinner, grapes. We got some olive oil and sea salt chips, looking so good. And then some pears, bagels, cream cheese, just plain. Frozen sourdough bread, cucumber, limes, broccoli and cauliflower, cantaloupe and melon. Wait, cantaloupe and honeydew, my fave. And granola, never had it before, but it seems really good. And some fresh cherries, because you know I've been loving these at the pool. But now I'm going to eat my salad because I'm like starving. And I have to organize the pantry and the fridge because it's not looking too good. This is it right now. And it just really, it's looking rough. It needs some help. Okay, everything has been removed from the side. I'm gonna clean all the containers because they're all grimy and gross. I took all of this stuff out. This is like, so, I have not done this in a really long time, so that's why they're kind of disgusting. Okay, now I'm gonna let those sit. All right, here's the grand finale. All organized. This shelf is empty because I'm going to cut up some strawberries and watermelon. All stocked. This is like the meat section. Changed the butter location. Veggie drawer. And then over here, I just have Sarah's like cheese up there. Fresh fruit, easy to grab. This is some other like grab and go like cherries, grapes, and then all the dressings down there. I think it looks really good. Okay, so I just cleaned up the counters, put the fruit in. Say hi. Hi.
They're so sweet.
Yeah. Say hi. This is Archer. Yeah, say hi. Say hello. Hello. So I just got to work. It's 10:50. I'm gonna head in. I have to take a 30-minute break, so I might go to Starbucks. We'll see how I'm feeling. But it started to rain out, and it's like, I'm like excited to work because like there's nothing else to do. So, should be fun. All right, I'll talk to you guys after. Bye.
What can I start for you today?
Hi, can I get a tall strawberry acai refresher?
Yeah, a tall strawberry acai refresher.
And could I get that without berries and made with green tea instead of water? Hello guys. So, it's been a little bit. It's 4:30. I'm on my break for work and I'm at Starbucks. It's really cloudy and rainy out, but it's like so warm. It's like 80 degrees. So it's like a nice summer rain. But just been doing ornaments all day at work. Like I have not stopped at all, which has been really nice, but it's been like a lot. So yeah, after this I'm gonna go back to work, and then I'll only have like 20 minutes left. We close at 5:30, so just got my refresher. So good. I also got a water too.